It's running.
There you go.
Yeah. It's doing it, she started it.
As we've been told, he vowed to remain for 7 years, and then he came back home. When he set foot upon the shore, to Amber he did go. I'll meet you in the morning, don't let my parents know that your name it is young Edwin, who ploughed the lowlands low. So Edwin he sat drinking till time to go to bed. He never thought a sword that night could part his body and head. So when he got into bed, and he scarcely was asleep, when Emma's cruel parents up to his room did creep, they tapped him, dragged him out of bed, and to the sea did go. They sent his body floating down to the lowlands low. Young Emma, she lay sleeping, and she dreamt a frightful dream. She dreamt her love was weeping, while his blood flowed like a stream. Oh, Father, where's the sailor lad who came last night to stay? Oh, he is dead, no tale to tell, the Father he did say. Then, Father, cruel Father, you'll die a public show for the murdering of my Edwin, who ploughed the lowlands low. Oh, many a day she passed away and tried to ease her mind, crying, oh, my friends, my love is gone, and I am left behind.